Jake was an ordinary guy living in a small town in America. He worked a simple office job and earned a modest salary. Nothing extraordinary. Every payday, his friends did the same thing. They bought new clothes, upgraded their phones, went out for drinks, and spent money on things that only made them happy for a few days. Jake used to do the same, until one evening changed everything. After work, Jake was sitting in the office break room with his senior coworker, Mr. Anderson. Jake asked him a simple question. "Do you think an average person can ever become financially free?" Mr. Anderson smiled. Then he said something Jake would never forget. "Of course it's possible, but most people ignore the one thing that makes it happen. Time." Jake looked confused. "Time?" he asked. Mr. Anderson nodded. Then he gave Jake a simple rule. "Start investing $20 every day, not once in a while, every single day." Jake laughed a little. $20? That's it? Mr. Anderson replied calmly. "Most people fail because they think they need to start big, but wealth is built from small actions repeated for a long time." That night, Jake kept thinking about those words. It didn't sound like much, but the next morning, he decided to try it. From that day forward, Jake created a simple habit. Every single day, he invested $20. Sometimes he bought shares of an index fund. Sometimes he invested in strong companies. At first, nothing really changed. Months passed. His investment account barely moved. Meanwhile, his friends noticed what he was doing. They laughed. "Jake, do you really think $20 a day will make you rich?" Jake didn't argue. He just smiled and kept going. 1 year passed, then 3 years, then 5. Jake never broke his habit. Whenever his income increased, he increased his investments too. Slowly, quietly, consistently. Then one evening, Jake opened his investment account, and for the first time, he was shocked. The money had grown far beyond what he expected. Not because he was lucky, not because he made risky bets, but because compound interest had been working silently in the background. Year after year, the same friends who once laughed at him now came to him for advice. "Jake, how did you do it?" Jake gave them a very simple answer. "I didn't chase quick money. I just stayed consistent." 10 years later, Jake's life looked completely different. He had built a powerful investment portfolio. Financial stress was no longer controlling his life. And the most surprising part? Everything started with one small decision. A $20 decision. A small action. Repeated every single day. That's the real power of consistency. Most people believe you need a lot of money to become wealthy. But the truth is, you don't need a large amount of money. You need discipline. And you need time. If you invest a small amount consistently and give it enough time, that small investment can eventually change your entire future. So remember this. Wealth is not built overnight, but it is built by the small choices you repeat every single day.